Hello students, happy to be able to reach to you all. In this video lecture, I am going to give you an introduction of second order linear partial differential equations. Now the question which arises is, what are second order linear partial differential equations? Now in a second order linear partial differential equation, you have a dependent variable. Let me denote the dependent variable by u. And there are independent variables where the number of independent variables can be 2 or more. Now we are dealing with the simplest case when the number of independent variables is 2. So the independent variables which I am taking in the second order linear partial differential equation are 2, and I am denoting them by x and y. So x and y are independent variables and u is a dependent variable which depends on the independent variables x and y. So u is a function of x and y. Now since we are talking of a second order linear partial differential equation, so the possible partial derivatives that can appear in a second order linear partial differential equation are the first order partial derivatives, which can be del u by del x, which in short we are in the habit of denoting this by ux, or the partial derivative of u with respect to y, that is del u by del y, which is denoted in short by uy. Or the second order derivatives which can appear are del square u by del x square, that is u is differentiated with respect to x partially twice, and again we are in the habit of denoting this by uxx. And the partial derivative, the second order partial derivative, the other second order partial derivative which can appear is del square u by del y square, that is differentiating u partially with respect to y twice, and we are in the habit of denoting this partial derivative by uyy. And another derivative, second order derivative, partial derivative which can appear is del square u by del x del y, which is the mixed partial derivative of a second order partial derivative of u with respect to x and y, where u is differentiated first with respect to y and then with respect to x, and again we are in the habit of denoting this by uxy. So these are the possible first order partial derivatives which can appear in the second order linear partial differential equation, and these are the possible second order partial derivatives which can appear in the second order linear partial differential equation. And now coming to the form of the second order linear partial differential equation, a second order linear partial differential equation looks something like this: auxx plus buxy plus cuyy plus dux plus euy plus fu is equal to g, where these coefficients a, b, c, d, e, f, g, these are coefficients of, these are, and of course the dependent variable u, these are functions of x and y, and they are twice continuously differentiable in some fixed domain of R square. So because x and y are coming from R square, so these are all coefficients as well as this dependent variable u are twice continuously differentiable in some fixed domain of R square. And because this is a second order linear partial differential equation, so the coefficients a, b and c, these three cannot vanish simultaneously. All the three can't be zero at the same time, because if all of them become zero at the same time, then this equation will no more be a second order partial differential equation. So if you have a look at this equation, which let me mark this as 1, if you have a look at this equation 1, then you can just see, because it is a partial differential equation, so only the partial derivatives can appear, so only partial derivatives are appearing. Now because it is a second order partial differential equation, so apart from the first order partial derivatives and the term u and the dependent variable u, the derivatives, the partial derivatives which the other partial derivatives which can appear are uxx, uxy and uyy. Also you can see that all these terms, these derivatives uxx, uxy, uyy, ux, uy, u, they are all separate, they are not multiplied with each other, and you can just note that their degree is 1, which means that you cannot find a term like this uxx square. Such a term cannot appear in a linear partial differential equation. Also, you cannot have something like this. Product terms will not be present, and such terms which are of degree greater than 1, they will not be present. So this is all about a second order linear partial differential equation when the number of independent variables is 2. Now, one important point to be noted over here is that the mixed second order partial derivative that we have considered here is del square u by del x del y is equal to uxy. However, in general, in a second order partial differential equation, there is another mixed second order partial derivative that can appear, and it is del square u by del y del x, which we are in the habit of denoting by uyx. And in general, the mixed second order partial derivative uyx is not equal to the mixed second order partial derivative uxy. So in general, these two mixed second order partial derivatives are not equal. But you will see that in the second order linear partial differential equation 1, only the second order partial derivative, mixed second order partial derivative that has been considered is uxy. There is no mention of the other mixed second order partial derivative uyx. The reason for this is that the dependent variable u is considered to be twice continuously differentiable function of x and y. Now, because of this reason, because u is a twice continuously differentiable function of x and y in the given domain of R square, therefore because of this reason, the two mixed second order partial derivatives uxy and uyx come out to be equal at a given point in the given domain of R square. So because of this reason, there is no difference between the two mixed second order partial derivatives, and that is why in the partial differential equation 1 we have written only the term of uxy. The term of uyx has not been written, just because uyx and uxy are identical at a given point in the given domain of R square.